Hey y'all, Natalie here from Serpstat. So welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we'll be talking about still the AI content tools that Serpstat offers. So right here on the screen, we have a tool called Article Builder. So again, just a disclosure, we won't be able to fully utilize the tool because of certain account restrictions. But then again, I just really want to show you maybe a quick look on the tool, and also just to give you an idea of what you can expect once you have access to an account or a subscription here in Serpstat. So hopefully this will help you decide whether or not to get an account or subscribe to their tools. So yeah, basically that is the intention of this video. So despite not being able to fully use the tool, at least you will have an idea of what you can expect or what you can get out of the account that you'll be subscribing on. So for so much for that. Here we have the article builder. So going back to this topic, for this one, this is at least for me as a content writer, this is a very exciting tool to use because then you won't be racking your brains out for articles to write or how to write your article, because this one it lets you generate a title, it lets you generate an outline for the entire article, and then of course text for each paragraph um that will make up the entirety of your written content. So basically from the term itself as article builder, you'd be able to create an entire article in the easy and accessible steps. So, first, of course, you have to enter keyword, topic, or a list of keywords to generate title options. And then second, choose a title for the future article and generate an outline. So, I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I'm writing an article, I make like a skeleton of the article first so that I know, or the flow of the article will be, or I'll be sure that the flow of the article will be, in a good tone, or generally and logically, it would make a lot of sense for those, certain subtopics to come one after the other. So that is the intent of creating an outline. So for this specific tool, you'd be able to get that, to get help with that rather. So step 3, of course, which is the toughest, is to supply text to every single paragraph that will be going into your written article. So for this one, each generation request is corresponding to 100 credits of tools module. So this tool is currently available only for text in English. So there are tools here in Serpstat wherein you're only limited to the English language, but there are also tools that you can use for other languages rather, although they would correspond to a different amount of credits to be charged to you. So for this one, of course, there is the request or the requirement to enter a Serpstat API token, which will be found in your profile. So if you want to set the token, you can also do so by clicking on here and then be directed to your profile if you click on this link and then enter the Serpstat API token on the text box right here so that you can get started on your generation request. So that is it actually for this type of, or for this tool specifically. So very useful, of course, if you want to make your process of building or writing an article more efficient and of course faster. So this is the tool to go. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we have 3 more left in the AI content tools list. So hopefully you guys stay tuned and finish the entirety of this series as we go along with all the other features and functions that are offered here in Serpstat.